For some reason, now you need a camera, dear.
Okay.
These may not come out very well.
Got something on them. What is that? Because I couldn't catch it. They're so fast. At least I can believe now. Not like the olden days. Here. Here. Yeah. Hello. Wait a minute. No, Nancy. She takes this.
It's ready to go, yes?
Yeah, that's ready to go.
Here or night. Okay? Please, are you can finish, don't take up the lodge. Also, this kind of garbage basket can leave under your seat. Okay. Okay? Right now, wait.
Peach juice. And what's this? Some kind of vegetable. No more incidents. Dragonfly.
Over here too. Oh, listen to him, listen to him.
There he is.
Oh, Bob, look.
To the right also.
Oh, sure. Look, there's a cluster of them right there. Look at them.
Oh, yeah.
Where?
Right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Bob. Keep going, Bob. Look. Are you doing it?
Yes.
Sorry. Ooh, oh.
That's a mom.
Oops.
Oh my God, Bob.
Yeah, another place for me to fall in the water.
Oh, that's good. Make sure you get that film, Bob.
I could never be on Survivor.
Okay, guys, vámonos. Let's go.
Oh, that we don't like steps.
Unbelievable.
Oh, yeah. We got the sign.
Here.
2040 for rainforest expedition. About the staff, most of the staff, the 90% they're from the village, and even we have already 11 guys from the Imperial community.
Now,
I feel like it could be other bugs too. It's not, it's long-lasting protection from ticks. We have a bathroom, that's all I care about. Buzzing.
hold this turn. Don't move back.
Yeah.
It's pitiful. It's just pitiful.
Uh-huh.
Hole digger.
Go in the back later. Yeah, but I don't like being in front.
Yeah.
Somebody else got killed.
little brown, a little dot. Yeah, it's a walking palm.
Fuck yeah.
Like this, going inside. One insect. You remember North America lives 16 years old in the ground. Yes? When it's coming beginning the dry season or when the season going to start. You can see the tail. Yeah? You can. Okay. What is taking the? Oh, it's coming all there behind. Huh?
Oh, another one. See the other one?
I know. No. I know.
Fun, he crazy.
Huh. Bacterial infection. Hey, baby.
Oh, no, I'll go last. You get you.
Okay.
I'll be slow and slow. I don't like height.
Yeah, me neither.
So you take the photos.
Okay.
You did it. You made it. You made it.
Stingray again. Stingray? No. Oh, local name saltón. It's so big, monster. So big, whiskey.
Oh, yeah.
You remember in this part no dolphin, no pink dolphin. No dolphin. You remember in the Amazon, no? It's pink dolphin.
Pink dolphin.
Pink dolphin. Here no. What happened in the Brazil? Oh, look at the monkey, yeah? Look at the monkeys move.
Monkeys moving.
Yeah. Look at the squirrel monkey. The other monkey shaking the branches. More.
Yeah. That's cute.
Brown cappuccino. Well, in that very up is raining, huh? For that direction it's raining. North. Yes. No, for tourism. Yeah, we are now. No, you saw monkeys and see very beautiful wildlife. It's natural, okay? All these monkeys, birds you saw, is natural. What happened? The indigenous people so long.
That's me too.
It's going
Sounds
down.
like they're having a fight. You go ahead.
Oh, he's taking the bark off. Look at that. He's taking the bark off. Yeah, look at him.
He's
Taking a big
cute.
chunk. Big chunk.
Mischievous.
He's got a really cute face. Got a stripe right down the middle of his head.
He's a mover. How much? 100% or 100%? Okay.
Your face.
Slowly, slowly. What? Mind your head. Okay, good. Next.
Because I was interested in seeing different levels too.
That was real nice because my legs
Oh, there he is in the tree.
Yeah,
Oh, that's beautiful.
Nee, als der Affe, als ich das erste Mal Affen fotografiert habe,
See him under the root?
Yeah, there's a nice night.
Wow, look at them.
That's amazing. It's a great church.
We're gonna have breakfast at 5. We're ready on the lobby. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
Okay, I'm glad I asked.
Like, Real have a full day for us.
I'm thinking Venetian. I'm just serenading you. Just for you, Maya. I'm not hearing you.
I need you to sit down too.
The baby yellow belly piranha, huh? Picture. There's a piranha. Baby, huh? Take like this. Yeah, good.
All the way up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you almost had
saw him.
it. Yeah.
He was there.
Poco adelante.
I'm gonna
No
pick
te
it
van
up.
al viento.
Pick him up.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You hold like me.
It's gonna-
With me. I have him at Well, they asked them, yeah. If you're close to the area, just keep a lookout. That's all. We were only helping out when we were in search. No, we weren't on the search team. There were helicopters and everything.
Here.
Okay. Thank you very much to the boat driver. Thank you, driver.
Thank you.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
That's cool. So then, wait a minute. It's so bumpy right this second.
If you want to do a tour with him and learn about photography, he will supply you,
I know, he
all
told
the
me.
necessary things. Yeah, he has a good book every single time. How's the fire?
I know there's over the airplane up here.
Yeah, I like it. That's cool.
Yeah.
accent? Yeah, yeah, they're funny as hell.
Oh, look. This is with the sun for the shore.
Yeah. Oh,
sun for the shore, eh?
He kind of missed, didn't he?
Yeah, look.
Yikes.
Yeah. Wow.
Look, other accident.
Oh, that's...
Cuando vais, miren a la derecha, si ven ustedes a su derecha antes de pasarnos, el Palacio de Justicia. the Palace of
Hola, 1, 2, 3, módulo. Hola. 1, 2, 3. Sí. 1, 2, 3, hola, sí. Hola, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hola, hola, hola. Hola, ahora poquito, ¿cómo te llega? Hola, hola, hola. Probando el micrófono, maestro ceremonia. Hola, ¿te llega?
Can we walk?
Al museo.
Oh, yeah, 17 days. We've been here for 17 days. But
It takes up my whole neighborhood. Ooh.
There's all the sand.
Pachacamac se desarrolló hace 2000 años atrás. ¿Te acuerdan que les expliqué un poquito de los Ichmas? Lo mencioné, ¿te acuerdas? Los Ichmas fueron un señorío, pequeños reinos, cerveza de maíz, con granos, con comida, con carne seca. Todo esto se dejaba para que se alimenten. That proves that the expectancy of life in the Americas was higher than in Europe in those days, for example. Yeah.
amazing. It looked like a temple.
Vem, mãe, tira uma na mãe.
Fishing is the second income in Peru behind mining. Mining, silver, copper, gold, and then
Wow. Those things always amaze me. I love it. I love this view. It's gorgeous. I
Cuckoo,